Hello everyone, this is Alex from MenuDocs, and in today's episode, we're going to be digging into videos. Now, there was originally two parts to this episode. There were supposed to be videos and tables, but we're going to save tables for another episode where we get into more advanced CSS and HTML, as we need a lot more tags and things that we are just not ready to include in this early of an episode. So guys, as always, this video would not be possible without our sponsor, Oxide Hosting.
Today's video is proudly powered by our partner, Oxide Hosting. Get your products hosted by them with their cheap, reliable services. So what are you waiting for? Check them out in the description below.
Alright guys, so today's code, including the tables that was originally written for today, was written by one of our proficients, Robert Caliente. He's really been helping out a lot as I've been really busy lately, but the next episodes and on should be written by me and continue to be written by me again. I'm getting back into habit and I'm beginning to have more time to be able to do things. So, let's get into this. Today, we're actually going to be building the video. And this video isn't going to be long, but it's going to be very important. So, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be doing an iframe, which, I forget, you can just IR it. Alright, there you go. So this is the iframe. Now, we aren't going to pass anything in here, actually, so in reality, I'm just going to slash it afterwards to save us a little bit of time. So, there are a couple of things we have to pass in. First off is our width, and this is going to be 560. These are all pixel values, by the way. Height is going to be 315. And a lot of this stuff is just from the embed copy and paste on YouTube, but there are a few things that are different. And I'll show you what those are. So I have our YouTube link right over here. Our frame border, if I can spell today, is going to equal 0. And what we're going to allow. So this is actually what we're changing. Normally, you would only allow autoplay. But what we're actually going to allow here is accelerometer, which means you can speed up the video. We're going to allow autoplay, of course. Encrypted media. This just means that your connection to the server is going to be completely private. And I forgot you can't escape iframes early. I forgot about that. We're going to do gyroscope. And that's just to protect against people hijacking your connection and being able to write over things on a server. And picture in picture. This is useful for Android users specifically because that means if you leave the tab, like you go to another tab, this will actually pop out and appear for you to watch. And then along this, we're going to do allow full screen next to it. And we're going to be doing autoplay. And really, that's it. It's really not too complicated to get into. Videos and stuff are super easy for you all to be able to do here. And if you would like to see what this looks like, I can yank that up really fast. And there is our iframe right here. If you hit play, you of course have all your things, which you can't play because of copyright. You can change the playback speed and the quality. You can open it on YouTube. You can share it, and you can add it to your watch later, plus you can cast it. And there we go. That's the really simple version of videos. And there isn't really a more complicated version, but that's about it. So guys, that is about it for today's episode. It was kind of short, only about 5 minutes, but it was a very important episode. In the next episode, it's going to be much longer. We're going to be getting into actually starting to clean up the website and make it stop looking like a complete and total mess and start making it look good. So, I hope to see you all in the next episode. Thank you all for coming to MenuDocs today, and I will see you all next time.